Hello, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be eating oatmeal and bananas. I don't know why I'm eating the bananas and I'm allergic to them. But I'm not gonna die or whatever. It's just I get sick. But I'm trying to lose weight. I lost a pound. I'm happy for that. I lost a pound. So I'm going to continue. I was actually 230. I'm 229. So I just had a bite of banana and oatmeal. I'm having another one. It tasted so good, but I actually have not had banana in a long time. The after effects of eating this won't be so nice, but there's a banana. That was amazing. Oh, I feel like to throw up right now. And I love banana. I love banana. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done eating this. This is how far I've gotten. I started eating at like 10:35, I believe. It's 11 o'clock. I've been sitting down for that whole time staring at this, so everything feels like it wants to come back up. And I've been eating slowly, so, but I'm gonna cover this up and eat it for later while I chug down water. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And yeah.